Good morning, children. Today we will continue the lesson Thunder Cake. In the previous class, you learnt Grandma is preparing the thunder cake and the little girl is engaged in collecting all the ingredients told by her grandmother to make the thunder cake. While collecting the ingredients, the little girl hears the thunder and starts counting numbers every time. Now, looking again into the lesson, here I go. We hurried back to the house and warm kitchen and we measured the ingredients. I poured them into the mixing bowl while Grandma mixed. I churned butter for the frosting and melted chocolate. Finally, we poured the batter into the cake pans and put them into the oven together. So now they have collected all the ingredients and now they are preparing the thunder cake. So what are the procedure to follow to make the cake? They are following and they are making the cake. Lightning hit the kitchen. I only counted to 3 and the thunder rumbled and crashed. Lightning hit the kitchen. So again when they are preparing the thunder cake, again the lightning will strike in the sky and it hit the kitchen. Means the flash of the lightning will enter into the kitchen also. So you can see, she can see the lightning in the kitchen. So this time she counted only for 3 and now the thunder rumbled and crashed. 3 miles away, Grandma said, and the cake is in the oven. We made it. So now when the girl will count only to the 3, the thunder will strike and the grandma will tell it's only 3 miles away and our cake is also ready. It is in the oven. We will have a real thunder cake. As we waited for the cake, Grandma looked out of the window for a long time. Why, you aren't afraid of thunder. You are too brave, she said as she looked right at me. So now the thunder cake is in the oven and now the grandma is standing near the window and she will see outside and she will ask the girl, I think now you are not afraid of the thunder. You are standing very quiet and you are not afraid at all. So the girl will reply, I was under the bed. Don't you remember? I was very much afraid. But you got out from under it, she answered. And you got eggs from mean old Nilly Peck hen. You got milk from the old kick cow. You went through tangleweed woods to the dry shade. You climbed the trellis in the barnyard. Only a very brave person could have done all these things. So the now grandma is telling, when the girl told that, I am really afraid of that. Why can't you remember that I was under the bed? So the grandma will tell, no dear, you are not under the bed, but you were busy in collecting the ingredients for the thunder cake. Isn't it? The grandma had told her to collect all the things. She had went to the Nelly Peck hen and she got the milk from the old kick cow and also she went through the tangleweed woods to the dry shade and also she will climb the trellis in the barnyard. Everything has done in the thunderstorm. So I think you are not afraid. You are a brave little girl. Only brave girls can do such things. I thought and thought as the storm rumbled closer. She was right. I was brave. So now the girl is thinking, yes, the grandma is telling me right because I had went to all the places as the grandma insisted me to go. And I had went outside also and I had collected the eggs also. At that time also the thunder had struck but I was not afraid. Really the grandma is right. I am brave. Brave people can't be afraid of a sound, child, she said as we spread out the tablecloth and set the table. When we were done, we hurried into the kitchen to take the cake out of the oven. After the cake had cooled, we frosted it. So now the grandma is telling her that you are very brave girl. You have done so many things in the thunderstorm. Only the brave people can do such things. So while they were talking, they will remember of the cake and they will think that it has already baked. So they will go to the oven and take out the cake. After cooling it for some time, they will frost it. Frosted means decorating with icy sugar. So the top layer of the cake will be decorated with the cream, isn't it? So they will decorate the cake with the icy sugar. Just then the lightning flashed and this time it lit the whole sky. So again there will be a lightning in the sky. So this time it lit the whole sky. So this time also the thunder will strike, and now when you see outside, when she saw outside, the whole sky was lighted with this thunder. Even before the last flash has faded, the thunder rolled, boomed, crashed and boomed just above us. The storm was here. So it was a very heavy thunder now. It made a lot of sound. So when it made a lot of sound also, this girl enjoyed it instead of fearing about it. This time she heard it very clearly, the sound of the thunder, and she was no more afraid of the thunder. Perfect, Grandma cooed. Just perfect. She beamed as she added the last strawberry to the glistening chocolate frosting on the top of our thunder cake. As rain poured down on our roof, Grandma cut a wedge for each of us. So now Grandma is also telling so coolly and softly, yes, that is what I was wanting from you. You should not fear from the thunder. So I think you are now brave enough. So telling this, the rain will start to pour down on the roof, and the grandma will cut a wedge. Wedge means a piece with one thick and one thin pointed end. So you will cut the cake now in the triangle shape, that is called as the wedge. When you cut the cake in triangle shape, the piece which you will lift, that is called as the wedge. So grandma will cut a wedge for both of them, and she will pour us steaming cups of tea, and also they will have some tea from the samovar. Samovar means a metal vessel used to boil water for tea. So grandma will make some tea also, and both of them will have the cup of tea also with the cake. When the thunder roared above us so hard it shook the windows and rattled the dishes in the cupboards, we just smiled and ate our thunder cake. From that time, I never feared the voice of thunder again. So when they were having the cake and tea, again the thunder will roll down. But this time the girl is not at all afraid of the thunder. Grandma and her, both of them looked to both of us and each other. Both of them look to each other and they will smile as the thunder will strike. And now the girl is not at all feared of the thunder cake. This is how the grandma will make this girl to come out of the fear of the thunder and storm. I think you all understood. Thank you.